The following presentation will outline the procedure for calibrating product and water level of probes connected to a Proteus K, Proteus B, or Proteus X controller, utilizing the product and water null function in the system setup menu. First, you will need to get the actual current product and water levels. This is accomplished by two means. The first being a stick measurement. Stick the tank and note the height, in inches, of the product level. The process of pasting is used to obtain water levels. The second method is with the use of tank-mounted level gauges. Gauge type and mounting location is determined by the tank manufacturer. Water is not normally measured by this means. You should verify, in inches, the current levels the Proteus controller is reporting. This is done by checking the inventory screen for each tank. This will indicate the difference between actual and reported levels. Now, let's program the Proteus controller. The best place to start is at the System Status menu. From here, press on the Utilities button. Now, press on the Setup menu button. You are prompted for the setup password. Type 6 zeros and press the Enter button. When the Setup menu page 1 opens, press on the Tank Parameters button. Use the Next Tank button to advance to the appropriate tank to adjust. If the product and water nulls have not been previously changed, it should display 1.00 inch for product and 1.57 inch for water. These are the factory default values. Press on the Product Null button. A window will open, displaying Enter Product Height and should show the same height as seen on the inventory screen. Our example, 24.73. Clear the field and enter the actual reading as determined previously. An example, 25.0, the value in inches. Press the Save button. The product null box should now show 0.73. The null calculation is derived by current null plus the difference between original height minus the new height. 1 plus 24.73 minus 25 equals 0.73. When you exit setup, the tank inventory will now show the new height and the product volume based on the height. The process is the same for the water null. Should you need to start over or you are readjusting for a new probe, it is best to reset the nulls to factory defaults. From the Setup menu, page 1 screen, press the Tank Drop and Other button. Use the Next Tank button to advance to the appropriate tank. Press the 0 Product Null or 0 Water Null buttons, depending on which liquid you are looking to null. You will be prompted to confirm the reset. When you return to the Tank Parameters screen, you will see the null has returned to the factory default. Continue with the process of adjusting the null, as previously described. This completes the process of calibrating a probe on a Proteus controller.